think last time we finished chapter. Yeah. Okay. So next chapter, there is no numbers in chapters. Okay. Okay, whatever. So they're just topics, different topics. Doesn't matter. Okay. So it says preferred time for cutting nails. Okay. It is a mitzvah for a person to cut his/her nails in honor of Shabbos. This should be done specifically on Friday rather than on Thursday, because nails begin to grow again on a third day from when they are cut. And since Shabbos is the third day, the nails will not be attractive on Shabbos as they begin to grow. Okay. So let's continue and then we explain. Following this reasoning, one should certainly not cut one's nails earlier than Thursday. Therefore, if the nails cannot be cut on Friday, for example, Friday is Yom Tov, then Thursday, rather than Wednesday, is preferred day. Certainly, if one has a specific reason to cut nails early in a week, one would be allowed to do so. So let's try to understand. So now, just so we on the same page. So he's going to bring different topics. So it's not like in Shulchan Aruch, like in all of these morning laws, then prayers, then Shema, Shmones. Okay, it's not. Okay, so it's a different topic. So now we jumped into the topic of cutting nails. So and we know that in preparation of Shabbos, how you honor Shabbos, right? So you cut your nails, right? You take a haircut if you need one, right? In honor of the Shabbos. So and the best way, the proper way to do it on Friday afternoon. So why Friday afternoon? Because it's obvious you did in honor of Shabbos. So if you do it Friday morning or Tuesday evening, it's not so obvious, right? So but Friday afternoon is the best time. But of course, if she cannot or he cannot, of course, do it in the morning, Friday morning. Still, it's obvious, it's honor of Shabbos. If still you cannot, do on Thursday, right? So Thursday is if you don't have any other choice, right? Wednesday, it's like too much. As we said, the three days. So the nails start grow on the third day after they've been cut. Very interesting. And of course, it's possible, as we said, Friday could be Yom Tov. Could be Friday and Shabbos, Yom Tov. It's possible, right? So you cut your nails on Thursday. Okay, and they say, of course, if a specific reason, I don't know what a specific reason, maybe job interview and stuff like that. Okay, you can cut your nails earlier, no problem. But preferably to do it in honor of Shabbos. There are a few things that, many things that do not cost us anything, like but they bring the honor of Shabbos. Like everything you have to do, like do it as close to Shabbos as possible, and declare this is Lakovat Shabbos. Continue. According to Kabbalah, one should not cut one's fingernails and toenails on the same day. Therefore, in order to look one's best for Shabbos, the toenails should be cut on Thursday and fingernails on Friday. Okay, so let's continue, then we return. It's very interesting. If one forgot to cut toenails on Thursday, they should be cut on Friday at the same time as fingernails. In regards to this halachah, Thursday night is considered to be the same as Thursday day. A married woman who must cut her nails before Tefillas mitzvah should cut her fingernails and toenails on the same day, as her Tefillah takes precedence over these halachas. Okay, so let me see if continuation. Okay, so let's try to understand. So we have these Kabbalistic reasons, so he does not say, but we're going to explain, that not to cut the nails, the toenails and fingernails on the same day. So what is the problem? The problem is that it looks like that's what they do for a dead person. So after a person dies, right? They do taharat, they pour water. There's a special ritual how they cleanse this dead person. And one of the things that they do for that person, that cut nails, because even though the person dies, the nails continue to grow, right? So they cut the nails, and they die, and they cut all of them, all the nails in a sequence, hands, like fingernails and toenails. I mean, there's no other day. Like usually we bury in the same day if possible. For example, if elderly person or we expected person to die very soon, so and we arrange all of the things needed. So, for example, somebody passed, I don't know, in the middle of the night, so we can bury that person during the day. It's actually big respect, as actually we read in another book. So not to keep this dead body like in this world, but cover it with the ground as soon as possible. That's respect for a dead person. So of course we do everything at the same time. So now, of course, it's that's why Kabbalah said, do not do it at the same day. Bad luck, right? Okay, but we said, so what can we do? We said cut the toenails on Thursday and fingernails on Friday. So of course, usually people don't cut toenails like every week. So maybe every other week, once in 3 weeks, whatever, it depends on a person. But try to separate. Do on one day, on Thursday, toenails. On Friday, we do fingernails. And it's very, very interesting point here. I'm okay. So he's bringing from the book Shmiras Haguf V'Hanefesh. Okay, so it's very, very interesting. So he said that Thursday day for this halacha and Thursday night is exactly the same. So Thursday night, technically, right, halachically, like for other purposes, would be Friday. Like today, like after 3 stars, depends where you're located. By me, I don't know, what is it, 5 p.m., 5:30 p.m. It's already next day, let's say, right? So I mean, you have so many hours, but for the purposes of this halacha, for whatever reason, it's still Thursday day and night. It's the same day. Okay, no problem. And then since this book is also can concern itself a lot about women, so we said that a woman, when woman has to go into the mikveh, it's like she counted 7 clean days. Now it's her day. So in preparation for going to the mikveh, she must cut her nails. So if it's going to be Monday, so cut on Monday. Sunday, cut on Sunday if needed, right? So that takes precedence over this cutting of the nails. Okay. Continue. Because why women must cut nails before going to the mikvah? Because it might be some dirt under the nails, and it could be considered chatzitza. So chatzitza is a separation. So the dirt under the nails could be a separation between the water and the skin. So that's why we're trying to be careful and cut the nails very short, and that's why you need the mikvah lady. So the mikvah lady always check the nails and other things. Okay.